To add a newly installed device, whether it's a plug, light, or other piece of equipment to an existing project, start by logging into your CircuitIQ account and access the last project you're working on from the Properties tab. Once on the Overview screen, swipe to the Electrical tab and click on the panel you want to add the device to. Scroll down and locate the breaker you're adding the device to and click on it to open the Breaker View screen. Press the green Add a Device button in the bottom right. Enter in the device details using the drop-down menus, and be sure to use the Notes section to add details such as AFCI or the other piece of equipment that it may be. And click Save. Your breaker will automatically update with the new information. Click the Back button. Best practice is to generate and download a new panel card to update the printed information. You're now fully up to date and ready to go. Check out the other video demos for more tips, and stop guessing, start mapping.